In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out from your Google account on an Android phone. Today I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Settings. We can easily do so by tapping Add Settings Up icon from our home screen. However, if you cannot find it on your home screen, then just swipe down to bring up these quick options, and that's where we can also find the gear icon, and we can tap on it to go to settings. On settings, guys, we are looking for the option which is called Account and Backup. Here it is. On your smartphone it may be called something like Accounts. So just search for Accounts or Account and Backup, then get into it. At the very top here you will find Manage Accounts feature, and that's where we can easily find all the accounts we are currently signed in on that particular device. Here at the top we can see Google account, and then to sign out from this account, first off we need to tap on it. That's where we can easily find this button, and now I'm gonna tap at Remove Account. In this pop-up it says that removing the account will delete all its messages, contacts and other data from the device. To continue, just hit at Remove Account. However, guys, you need to keep in mind that it will not remove the account itself, it will just sign you out from that particular account on that particular device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.